Hi. So I'm going to be, this is day number 7 for school. So it's going amazing. I'm waiting for the school bus.
So, what do you like better, real school or homeschool?
I say real school.
Okay, what do you like better about real school than homeschool?
Because I get to go on the bus. I get to actually see friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Are you learning a lot in real school?
Yep.
What you learning about right now?
I don't know. I did homework though.
Mm-hmm.
Remember last night we did that homework?
Yes.
I want to read the rest of that library book.
Well, we're going to read it later.
Today?
Possibly, yeah.
Yeah. I want to read it today. Wait, is a week almost over?
A week is going to be on Monday, but you don't have school on Monday, so it's going to be Tuesday.
Wait, so I'll have to bring it in 8 days?
Yep.
Wow.
Because you don't have,
School Monday.
Yep. But I don't know.
That still means I can't stay up late.
That's right. Well, we can stay up and watch a movie on Sunday night, but you can't stay up late Monday night.
Okay.
So.
I wonder why my voice is a little weird.
I don't know. You might be getting a cold. Who knows?
No.
If you're going to school now and you're around a lot of other kids, sometimes when you get around a lot of people, especially at first, you pick up their germs.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I get colds a lot of times. Right, Dad?
You don't get colds a lot.
Sometimes.
No.
I think I've got colds sometimes, right?
You've gotten colds sometimes, yes. You don't get them. You don't get them too often. You get them every so often.
Yeah, but
Probably the normal amount, maybe.
yeah. But my grandma Tina says I shouldn't be walking like this
Why?
on the road.
Oh, well, we have to explain to everybody that this part of the road right here is a closed-off dead end.
Nobody normally drives on there.
Yeah, there's only a few houses down here, and so there's not a lot of reason for anybody to come down here.
Yeah,
and if they do, they come very slow, and we know they're coming way in advance.
These houses, these people drive through those houses.
Yeah, they do. Probably a little bit more, yeah. But this is just like a closed-off road. We know. Yep. We know that you're not supposed to...
My dad lets me drive.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I drive before.
We know... Shh! You gotta have a license to drive. Now we're gonna go to jail.
No, we're not.
What?
I was sitting in your lap.
Yep, that's right. And it's only on this little road.
Yeah, the closed off road. Well, I drive from that part to turn to that part.
Yeah, that's the end of our street down there. And then it has a dead end right there. And there's only a few houses. And don't worry, I make sure that there is no cars coming. And Nova knows very well not to walk in a real road. She doesn't even walk in parking lots at stores without holding a grown-up's hand. Yep. Right?
Yep.
Hey, you disappeared on me. You pulled a switcheroo. I think the bus is coming.
Hurry.
Well, no, it's fine. We're close enough.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
How are we close enough? Dad.
It's right there. The bus stop.
Dad.
Yes.
Yesterday it was raining during school, and I drank the rainwater.
What?
It's clean.
Who said so?
It's just clean. Right?
I guess so.
I think it is because it's just water.
Yeah, it's filtered up through the clouds, I guess. I don't know.
Water's clean.
I'm not a waterologist. All right, right here we got to be on the lookout just to make sure no bikes or cars are coming from these side streets right here.
Remember yesterday when we heard the weirdest bike sound?
Yeah,
That was
that's a
like,
very loud bike. Huh.
yeah, that was like no kind of bike.
So you want to tell everybody what you're taking to school today?
I'm taking to school my All About Me bag.
And what's in your All About Me bag?
A cat.
A real cat?
No, a fake cat.
Oh, whew. So you better let it out, because it's not going to be a happy cat if it's in that bag. But you would take a real cat if you could, wouldn't you? Oh, there it is.
No, my school bus!
All right, hey, stay close to me. Don't get too excited. Wait for me.
Yep.
I want you to have a good day, Pumpkin, okay? I love you.
Love you.
I love you the most.
Love you.
Bye. Have fun, baby. Bye.